Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to share how I used Google Slides to share with my students and my English language learners a short video, and within the same slide we're showing the questions as well. So let me show you how it's done. It's very easy. It's basically through a few steps. So first of all, you need to make sure you have a Gmail account. If you don't, it's very easy. Make sure you make one. And then you go here and you scroll down to where you see slides. Okay, you click on slides and then you get to some web page like this, and what you could do is you could either create a presentation yourself at this point, or you could use something from your a computer drive and you could upload it to your Google Slides. And this is what I usually do. I just upload a presentation I've worked on. It's easier for me, but you could easily use Google Slides as well and make one automatically as you enter the website. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this plus sign, and when I click on it, I get to a PowerPoint presentation that I could make or create. It's very easy. It's very similar to PowerPoint. It's pretty much not that very different. And let me show you how you could upload a file that you have already worked on. So you just go here and you click on File. Then you click on to open, and then you have several options of where you want to upload your PowerPoint presentation from, depending on where you shared it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on upload here, and it gives me the option to choose from my computer, and it's saved here on my desktop. Make sure you save it in a place where it's easy for you to find. Okay, so here it is, making a shared screen with a video and questions, and I upload it. Takes a few seconds. Okay, so here it is. Now, if you could see, this is the presentation that I'm going to be using with my students to engage them into both speaking and writing. And if I would click on present, what happens is they only get to see the picture. Okay, so the video isn't really playing and it's not working. So in order to have it work, I'm going to click on the square here, and I'm gonna erase it. Okay, and as you can see, the scene I'm looking for is called Harry Potter Fat Lady Balloons Floats Away. So I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, so I'm gonna copy that, and I'm going to go to insert. Okay, and I'm gonna click on video, and then I have the option of sharing either the URL if I have it, or from my Google Drive, of course, or I could just click on search through YouTube and I could look for the video I want. So I'm just gonna paste in the scene that I'm looking for, and I click on search. And as you can see here, I have several options of videos for the scene I'm looking for. And of course, this is the scene I want, Harry Potter Fat Lady Balloons Float Away. And then I click on select. And here it is, it's inserted here. I can enlarge it, and make sure you always enlarge the image from the corners, not from the sides here and here, because it changes the quality of the video. So make sure you make it larger or smaller from the corners of the video. And if I already know the URL, then the previous way of how I wanted to insert would also be possible, where I just click on link, but I prefer to look through YouTube for the video. And to make sure I chose the correct one, then I click on play. Okay, and if I want the video to start from a certain part, for example, or I don't want to play the whole scene, this is also possible, where I can check from what second or minute I want the video to play and where I want it to end. And this is also an option. And I also have the option of having it muted if I don't want sound. And this is what I do when I want to use speaking within the video, and I want my students to, within the lesson, sorry, and I want my students to actually speak and say what is happening. Or if I want them to write, then I keep the sound on and I have them listen and write for example, to a conversation that is going on, or for things that they could see happening in the video itself. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if I would click on present, you would see now that I could actually play the video. And when I play it, what's really nice here is that the students could have in front of them the instructions, or let's say question or 2-3 questions that I have prepared, and it's always there in front of them to relate to when they are watching the video. So I hope you found it useful. And let me just again click here to make sure that it's working. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel English with Nasrin if you would like to get more short videos like this. And all the best. Thank you for watching.